Your mom is wrong. Your dad? Wrong. And you can tell them that Rahim said so. Your financial advisor? Wrong. Your neighbor? Your boss? Your friends? Most of them are wrong. Because traditionally, those that don't know how to trade the stock market the way we do at copyandwin.com, they tell you buy and hold and you'll retire with a decent amount of money. I say they're wrong. Because if you learn how to scalp, day trade, swing trade the stock market, well, why wait a lifetime to retire comfortably? Why not start making real money every day, every week, every month, the way we do? It's not as hard as it sounds, and the old school concept of go to work, save your money, invest in the stock market, and get a gold watch and a retirement when you're 50 or 60 or 70 years old, well, they're wrong. You don't have to waste your life away grinding. What you need to do is learn how to grind out daily profits in the stock market, and we do that for you. If you haven't joined my Discord, take a look, because thousands of us every day, well, we win in the stock market. So open your mind and realize that technology, the internet, charting, discords, well, they give you additional opportunities that mom and dad and grandpa, they just didn't have. But today you have that opportunity, whether you're 15 years old, 50 years old, or 80 years old. Why don't you start making daily profits, weekly profits safely in the stock market with us? Love you.